Have you ever tried eating a watch? It's very time consuming, especially if you go back for seconds. Do you know what the best time of day is? It's 6:30, hands down. Welcome to the Dad Bod. So I received my January shipment of the Watch of the Month Club. Last month I got the Elevon watch. I love the watch, especially the strap. However, I did notice something odd about it. It doesn't say 12 at the top, it says 0. No idea why, but it adds character. If you haven't seen the video for last month's unboxing, I'm going to leave a link right above me, as well as a link to the playlist for the watch unboxing and reviews at the end of the video. And while you're checking them out, if you could, go ahead and take a second to hit that subscribe button and notification if you haven't already. That way you'll be notified when I release new videos. I try to get about 3 a week. I might drop down to 2 a week at some point, just as the cost of the boxes that I get increase. That way I can still get the stuff you all want without going over my monthly budget. I haven't decided quite yet, but if I do, there will still be some weeks where I throw in an extra if I'm able to. But again, haven't decided yet. Just wanted to put it out there to get a feel for it. Alas, I digress. The reason you are all gathered here, well, not gathered, not even here, can't do that right now with COVID restrictions, but the reason you are all watching this video, the Watch of the Month Club, part of my Watch Gang Alternative series. They offer 3 tiers, the Baron plan, or as they put it, the Baron von Watch plan, that comes with a brand new watch each and every month. It's a fantastic value and a great way to build your watch collection. Average value is $100 to $150 per watch, and it consists of Japanese quartz movement, non-glare, scratch-resistant, mineral crystal watch, and it costs $50 per month. As you can see right over here, I'm not a spokesperson, I'm just reading from their website. Next is the Viscount plan. It's the Earl watch plan that comes with a brand new watch each and every month. It's a fantastic value and a great way to build your watch collection. Average value is $150 to $300 per watch. Japanese quartz movement, non-glare, scratch resistant, mineral crystal, and this one costs about $100 per month. Okay, $99.95. I rounded up a nickel to save time, but obviously y'all caught me, and now it's taken way more time than I was trying to save to explain it. So lastly, we have the Duke plan. This one comes with a brand new watch each and every month, the ultimate value, and a great way to get watches valued much higher rates than you would pay each month. Average value is $350 to $600 with automatic movement, sapphire coated mineral crystal, and this one costs $200. I mean $199.95 per month. I'm signed up for the Baron plan, which is the $50 per month one, and yes, that's $50, not $49.95. In time, I may try out the higher plans if it feels like something you all would want me to do, but that's later on. All right, let's see what I got this month. Dude, no way. It's a Simplify watch. I'm wearing the Simplify 5100, Simplify the 5100 watch that I got from Watch Gang last year. Just a heads up, I reactivated my Watch Gang subscription. I did the $50 a month plan, so that way it's comparable to the other subscriptions that I'm currently getting. I got quite a few messages asking, how I'm going to review other watch subscriptions without having a Watch Gang watch to compare them to. So now I will. And what I'll do is after I receive all of the subscriptions for that month, some of them ship at the end of the month, so they arrive at the beginning of the next month. But after I do all of the videos for, that month, I'll do a roundup video, which will show all of the watches, so that way you guys can see for yourself what each watch subscription has to offer. And then you can decide if you're looking for a watch subscription, you'll be better equipped to figure out which one is more suited to your needs. So anyways, let's get this open. I really do like my Simplify the 5100, so I'm going to be really bummed out if it's the exact same one that I'm wearing. I love it, but I don't need 2. And before I open this, just a kind of a slap in the face to Watch Gang. I got this watch, I think, from the Wheel Spin, and if memory serves me, it was roughly $150 worth of points, whereas this was a $50 a month subscription watch. So I can't really compare the two yet because I don't know the value. It might be a It might be a higher valued watch, but at the end of the day, watch brands pretty much stick around the same value. So about $150, $50. So again, with Watch of the Month Club, you get a certificate of authenticity and a warranty card, which is something that you don't get with Wrist Mafia or Wrist Babe. And then, it's a Simplify watch, so it's a brand that, has been around for quite a bit. You may like them, you may not like them, but at least it's a company that you can go online, look at their watches. You can see them on like Amazon and other places, so you know that it's somewhat of a legit watch company, as opposed to the ones that I got from Wrist Babe and Wrist Mafia, where the brands they don't exist at all anywhere online. Alright, so this one is different from this one, so that's good. It has a silver face and stainless steel dial. It's got blue hour, minute, and second hands. This watch has a genuine leather strap, and it's got imprinted genuine leather on one side and Simplify on the other. On the back you can see that it is water resistant, Japan quartz movement, stainless steel caseback. It's hard to tell somebody how much a watch is actually worth, because an item's worth is really based on what people would want to pay for it. I may look at a watch and feel that it's worth $50, whereas somebody else may be willing to pay $100 for it, and yet another person may not want to pay more than $10 for it. So I can't really tell you how much this watch is actually worth. What I can say that is it's currently selling for 265 euros or $322. So, are you guys ready to look inside? I am. Alright, I can see that this was made in Japan. It's really hard to read some of these things. It says no jewels, which is pretty normal for a quartz watch. Yeah, and that's really all I can see. Well, there you have it. This is the January 2020 January 2021 Watch of the Month Club. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, and I'm probably going to enjoy wearing the watch. So make sure you hit the like button below, and I'll see you all next time.